Okay. WITH space OPEN open paren underscore underscore FILE underscore underscore comma space single quote R single quote close paren colon enter tab. Wait. Can I delete it all?
No.
Really?
So close.
Well, now I need to figure out if I can salvage it.
I doubt you can.
PASS. WITH.
Wait, I'm gonna test if this is salvageable.
Okay.
Oh, it is.
Sweet. Continuing. WITH. Like after this.
I forgot to say new line after PASS.
I did. I said new line.
You said new
I
line.
didn't do the new line.
So WITH space OPEN open paren underscore underscore FILE underscore underscore comma space single paren not paren quote R single quote close paren space AS space FH colon enter tab. PRINT open paren FH.READ open paren close paren comma space END equals single quote close paren. That should be it.
Do you want to lock it?
Like maybe add a couple of new enter. Yeah, let's go to that.
First one, do it. All right.